Hey everyone, I'm going to shoot a quick video showing some possible options on where to mount the actual mic on your handheld radio on, this is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler JL. Before I do, take a second and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos that are going to be coming on this Wrangler JL. I bought this mount on eBay from, I think it was shipped from China. I bought it a while ago. I actually ordered it before I ordered my Jeep, but I ordered this after my Jeep, but before my Jeep came in. But when I was first looking at this, it kind of confused me. I think it goes here somehow. It's got a couple holes. All I know is I'm gonna attempt to pull this off, and let's see how it looks, how it goes in there. Here's a trim removal tool. It's better to use these if they're plastic, but mine is metal, so I'm gonna use a metal one. You just go in here, give it a nice solid tug, and then the whole thing just pulls out. There you go. Just get it down and set it there. You could pull the wires out if you wanted to and remove it, but it's not necessary. And then here's your bolt. It's a 10mm. Now all you have to do is loosen it. You don't actually have to take it off. So the way this installs is you'll set it here, slide it over. See these two little indentions? That's what those pre-drilled holes are for. Get it set up there and tighten your bolt back up. Now we'll reinstall this panel, and if you look over here, it's got some like little lips on it. So you want to install this bottom half first, kind of like that. And also make sure that you don't pinch any of your wires. And then it just snaps right back in place. And it actually goes in a lot easier than it comes out. I'm sitting over here like asking myself, am I sure I got it in all the way? But it's in because it's back to being solid. Now here's a radio. I don't have it wired up to anything yet. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to do that. I think this is the the Midland GMRS that has all the controls in the mic, so I don't need to have access to the base unit. But I did get this Molly overhead panel that originally I was planning to put it up there, but now I'm kind of thinking I'd kind of rather have the cord run under there instead of looping back up and then just always hanging in my field of view. And then this Jeep's got this nice little raceway area here, so I can put the radio on there. This could then run along that raceway and then go down and connect into the main unit. And this is actually just an Ethernet connector, Cat 5, so I could easily get a make my own little adapter to extend this to wherever that base unit ends up sitting. So if I need a little bit more slack to make this, like right there, it looks pretty good. This hangs down, it goes back through here. I could then connect this thing in and hide it or tuck it up under somewhere. Then I can still get this out, use it whenever I need to, set it back, and then have it all fall back into place. Well, it will whenever I get that connected. I don't know, maybe I can put a little clamp or something to hold that down so it doesn't get hung up. But that's one option. If I'm just using this thing a little bit, this will work great. But I do have a few of these bungees, and let me show you kind of how I got. One of them has a big hook on it, and the other one has a small hook on it. So you can just hook a bungee up like that, hook your other one up. Now, this I would hang on here. And your second one goes and hooks to the metal on this first one, like that. So now if I want to talk on this thing, you just grab it, bring it up to your mouth, and when you're done, you let go. You can just drop it, and it'll go back to hanging in the middle. Now again, I don't have this other side hooked up to something, but if I did, it would be going down here somewhere, so it, you know, it still wouldn't really interfere with all this stuff. Again, this wouldn't be permanent. This would be a like road trip, highway driving type setup. You know, get on, talk on the radio, let go, let it hang, you know, maybe a minute or two of silence, and then I think of something, talk some more, whatever. That just makes it easier to grab than always setting it here, but this would be a good permanent dock. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos about my Jeep in the future. Thanks for watching.